Hello everybody, I am Anjali and welcome again to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make this 1-year-old girl's frock. So here I have done this patchwork and this is really easy to make, so let's get started. So for this project I'm using my leftover fabric from my another project. So I have these two fabrics, so I'm going to mix and match and I'll make this frock. So the width of the fabric is 20 inches in double fold, so total width is 40 inches, and length you have to take whatever length you want for your baby girl. Add 2 more inches to it or 1 more inches for the adjustment. So I'm going to join these two pieces from here and then I will cut this extra part. So here my fabric is ready and here I have given the top stitch also so that my fabric will be set, and I have given the iron. Now just fold it in half and then again give one more fold. Now from the folded side I will start giving the marking. So first I'm going to take the half of my shoulder measurement, that is 4.2. Then I'm taking 2 inches for the neckline. Now here I'm giving the armhole line, so for that I'm taking 4 inches. Here I'm going to measure the measurement of the chest. Here I'm giving the shoulder drop. Now here I will mark the measurement of my baby's chest. So whatever the measurement of your baby's chest is, divided by 4 and then add 1 more inch to it and then mark a point here. Now I'll take this chest point to straight down and I'll join these 2 points like this. Here I am taking 1.5 inch extra for the cutting, and again I'll take this straight down. Now for the armhole measurement I will take 1/2 inch from this corner and then I'll take half of this line and I'll make a 2 centimeter of line here. Now I'm joining all these points with a gentle curve, and for the back armhole I will make a curve in this box only. Now from the bottom part I'll take 1 inch up and then I will give this gentle curve. For the neck depth, here I'm taking 3 inch. Now I will cut this out. Remove the back part and now cut the front armhole and front neckline. So here my cutting is done, and for the back side again I'll take 3 inch or 2 inch. So first I'm going to complete the necklines. So here I have completed my neckline in a regular way. So this is the front part, and here at the side of the front part I'm going to make a patchwork of a cat. So I have this leftover fabric from this project only, so I'm going to use this only. So I'll use this curve. So here first I'm giving this triangle for the cat ears and then I'll make a straight line. So you just decide the measurements of your frock and then measure the area where you want to make this patchwork. So according to that only you have to decide how big or small you want your cat to be. So here I'm folding it and then I am cutting this. So this is very easy to make. Here you can see I've got my face of the cat. So here I'm placing it to the fabric and I will get one more piece. So I have this similar piece. So here I have these 2 pieces. Now facing both the right sides together I will attach it and I'll give stitch to the sides of the cat. So if you are a beginner then you can draw the line and then give the stitch and leave at least 1 inch of gap at the bottom part of the cat. From there we will take out the right part out. Here I am giving the stitch, so take your time, go slowly and give the stitch. So here my stitch is done. Now I am giving these small cuts. Now I'm going to take out the right side of the fabric like this. Take out the corners properly with the help of pen or pencil. You can do this. So here the face of my cat is ready. Now I will place this on the fabric and I will decide where I want to place this. And then I have this long strip for the neck of the cat. So just decide that and measure it according to your frock. Then cut the extra fabric. So always take extra fabric. It is always better to take extra fabric. Now here I have this 5-inch wide fabric. So I will cut this in half. Now I have these two strips. Now here I am going to make lines for the neck of the cat. So the top part of the neck is 1 inch and from the downside it is around 2 inch. Now I will give the stitch here at the sides of the line. Here I have given the stitch and I have cut the extra fabric from the sides. Now I will take out the right part out from one side. Here it is done. I have given the iron also. So with these two little buttons, I'm going to make the eyes of the cats. And here I have this triangular pieces. So this is 2 pieces and I'm going to give stitch at the sides and I will leave one side so that I can take out the right side out. Now here I'm going to attach these buttons with the help of needle and thread. So just decide the place where you want to attach your buttons. And then with the help of needle and thread, you can do this very easily. Here my eyes are done. Now this is the nose part. So here I will place it. And now again with the help of needle and thread, I'm going to give stitch here. So first place it and decide where you want to stick this. Here I am doing that only. Now take this open part and fold it, adjust this and then give the stitch. So here you can see how I am giving this stitch. So very carefully and cleanly do this. This is really easy to do. Take your time. So here my nose is attached. So here I'm going to make the mustache of the cat. So for that I'm making these lines so that I will have an idea where I have to give the stitch. Now I'm giving this easy stitch. You can see how I'm giving this. So just follow this. Again, this is really easy to do. Very basic stitch. You just have to give the lines. So now this is done and my cat is ready to place. So here I am placing it and then I will adjust it. Now I will place the neck part of the cat and from this gap I'm going to put the neck inside, half an inch inside, and then I'll adjust the place where I want to attach this. Now once I am sure about the place, then I will pin this so that it will not move. So I will recommend you to pin this first. And now I'm going to give the stitch. So I'll give this stitch at the sides of the cat's face. Here you can see I'm starting from the bottom part and then I'm taking my stitch to the face part of the cat. So take your time, go very slowly. Here my stitch is done and my cat is attached. Facing both the right side together, I'm going to attach the shoulders first and then I will complete the sleeves. So first I am joining the shoulders. Now I am completing the sleeves. For that I have this bias binding strip. So I am attaching this to the sleeves part and then I'm giving this small cuts. Now make double folds from the sides and then take this fabric to the wrong side of your frock and give the stitch. So here my sleeves are done. Now I'm going to give the side fittings and then I will complete the bottom part. So for that I will give 2 little folds and then I'll give the stitch. So I'll start from the chest point and I'll take this line straight down to the bottom part. Similarly from the another side also. So my fittings are done. Now from the sides I'm making 2 little folds and then I'm giving the bottom fold and I'll complete the bottom part of the frock. So my bottom part is also done and frock is complete, and this is the overall look of my frock. This is looking so pretty and really cute. So try this easy DIY frock for your little girl, and I hope you liked it and you learned something new from this video. And if you liked it, then please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on my Instagram handle also. All the links are below in the description box. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.